Begin by testing for proper supply voltage to the thermistors as shown here. Place your black meter lead in J2, pin 3, and test for 5 volts with your red lead at J1, pin 5. Set your meter to test for ohms. Thermistors typically read from 2,000 to 80,000 ohms. We need to isolate the thermistors to check their values. Unplug the J1 connector from the board. Place your black meter lead in the J1 pin 5 slot and leave it there. This is a common connection for all of the thermistors. Test each thermistor individually by inserting your red lead from the meter into the back of the connector. Note that pins 1 and 2 are fresh food thermistors. Most models only have one fresh food thermistor, so you may have an empty bay in the connector as seen here. Pin 3 is the freezer thermistor. Pin 4 is the evaporator thermistor. When testing is completed, be sure to reconnect the thermistors to the board and reconnect power to the appliance. Some resistors were found to be consistently out of range. You can physically identify these thermistors by the casing of the bulb. Notice a dark sealant where the wires enter the bulb, as circled here. Another indication is that the top of the bulb will have a rounded head. Replace these thermistors with a WR55X10025, the flat top thermistor indicated on the left. To test the accuracy of a thermistor, place it in a cup of crushed ice with a small amount of water and connect your meter to the thermistor's leads. The water will bring the ice to its melting point of 32 degrees Fahrenheit. At 32 degrees, you will read 16.3 kiloohms. Give the thermistor 3 to 5 minutes in this test to reach that temperature. When replacing a thermistor, strip and twist the wires together as shown here. Then use a WR01X10466 bell connector, stocked specifically at GE for this purpose. Be sure to crimp the connector firmly using the proper tool. Fill the connector with RTV102 GE silicone sealant. This will ensure a reliable moisture-resistant connection. This concludes thermistor testing and replacement.